Hi guys and welcome. I'm so excited. I don't know if I've done it unboxing for Life with Janine, but I'm getting ready and excited to share and show you how accessories can, elevate so many outfits, even a simple t-shirt or a turtleneck that I went shopping online. I was inspired by some very special video. I'll share that as well. But I haven't opened it. It arrived today. So let's see. Here it goes. It came from Amazon. Let me lift this up so you can see my head a little bit better. I'm the world's worst cinematographer. You know that. Okay. I've never bought from this company either. I'll put my mail over there. Okay. Let me put that there. This in here. I was tempted to open it, but I said, nope, wait till you get upstairs, just to make sure it's the right package. So this is it. It's a jewelry company. Fashion is an attitude. Boy, they took the words out of my mouth because that's what I'm about to start talking about in the next few videos. Okay, it's Myths, I guess, Myths, M-Y-T-Y-S, you tell me. And I bought these two items, so let's see. Let me get my... I don't know which is which. I think this would be the necklace. It's a necklace and matching earrings. So far, I'm liking the packaging, okay? And both pieces were under $40. I don't know that the receipt's in there, so I have to see. All right, I don't think I need the scissors for this. This is a stick. Okay, this must be the earrings. Okay. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, I hope it's as nice and worth it because I'm getting into, and I want to share with you guys, the value of good quality costume jewelry. Okay? All right, here it is. I'm liking this so far. I like the weight, okay? I know immediately I was after that. I want some weight to it that'll last. I don't know which way this bag is taped. Okay, I think, okay, long ways, like that. Okay, bear with me. I don't buy myself many jewelry gifts because I'll show you. I was about to go through my jewelry box, as I call it. Oh, this is very nice. Very happy with the weight. The style is everything I expected. It's a gold, and I can't see if you can see that. I'll show you up on the black. It's a toggle and circle closure, which I like. Okay, there you go there. I like that. Okay, let's put it on the necklace here. I took this from now look at that close up there. Now you can appreciate it. It has a design to each link. The gold is plain and the silver tone is the textured, designed. Really, really nice. Exactly what I'm looking for. And I know you're going to agree when I show you the video and the actress that inspired this. It's beautiful. Myths. Okay. Now I got the matching earring. Oh my God, I love them. I love them. I love them. Okay, and they have their own little cleaning kit. Well done, Myths. Well done. Okay. These were not expensive. Here they are in their packaging. Okay. Simple, nothing crazy or big. Okay. And I think it's a hypoallergenic or a silver closure because I cannot wear nickel or anything fake gold plated because my ears itch and I just can't do it. So I have to have some substance and sterling to the closure that's going in my ear. And they claim that this is. Here's the earring. Like that. It's gold with the link. Looks exactly like the necklace. It opens and closes nicely. Okay, I like that. Has a nice weight to it. Like I said. Well, let me break them now before I even get it on. One's not opening, right? Why? Okay, this is a problem. Why is it not opening? Okay, there it goes. It was a little, okay, let me just double check. Okay, this one had to be pushed down a little bit, but no big deal. I'll work with that. It's not a returnable issue, as you can see. I reclosed it quite nicely. There's the earrings. You can see them close up. There they are. Stop dangling. They are better looking in person, I promise you. There's the earring. Let me show the necklace again. And then I'll work out a few outfits for it because this is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to show you exactly why I chose this set and this style and everything about it. I love it. I'm going to enjoy this company. All right. I got to learn how to say their name. Middies. Fashion is an attitude. Love it. Okay, guys. Some outfits to come soon.